Creating an organization chart in ClickUp helps you visually map out your team structure and workflow. While ClickUp doesn't offer a built-in org chart tool, you can utilize ClickApp's custom fields and docs to create a detailed organization chart. Here's how. Use ClickUp's custom fields. In your ClickUp workspace, create a new list called Organization Chart. Add tasks for each employee or team member. Use custom fields to add important details like their role, department, and manager. You can use drop-down or text fields for easy sorting. Utilize dependencies. In each employee task, use dependencies to link tasks and show reporting lines. This helps visualize the hierarchy and workflow. Use ClickUp Docs for visuals. Go to Docs in ClickUp and create a new document. Add shapes, lines, and text to manually create a visual organization chart. You can also use tools like Lucidchart or Miro and embed them into your ClickUp Docs for a more dynamic, interactive chart. Share and update. Share the chart with your team and update it as your organization evolves.